You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation, a name of Spanish origin. If you want to learn more confusing Spanish names, stay tuned. I've got many more videos. I'll link to a few for you at the end of this video. The Spanish pronunciation is Uribe. It's originally Basque surname Uribe. It's quite common in Mexico and South America. Uribe in English. Some say it as Uribe, but it's more Uribe, or in Spanish, Uribe. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.